Beta, till now we have studied about plant tissues. Yesterday we have studied xylem and phloem. If you are having any doubt, you can simply go to my account and you can ask me your doubt. Today we will start new topic, that is animal tissue. On the basis of the functions they perform, animal tissues are classified into four basic types, namely epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous tissue. On the basis of what? On the basis of function they perform. The first tissue is epithelial tissue. Which one? Epithelial tissue. The covering or protective tissue in the animal body are called epithelial tissue. It covers most organs and cavities of the body. Then what it does? It forms a barrier to keep different body systems separated from each other, as it covers cavities of the body also. In these tissues, cells are tightly packed and form a continuous sheet. Why they are tightly packed? Because they have to protect us. They are the outermost layer of our body. There is almost no intercellular space between them. They have a very small amount of connecting material, cementing material between them. The epithelium is separated from underlying tissue by an extracellular fibrous basement membrane containing collagen. These epithelial tissues are further classified into four different types, and this classification is based on the basis of the shape of the cells and their arrangement. On basis of what? On the basis of shape of the cells and their arrangement. The first type of epithelial tissue is squamous. As the name telling, squamous means the shape is somewhat like square. Squamous epithelial tissue constitutes the skin which protects the body. Squamous epithelial tissue constitutes the skin which protects the body, and it is further divided into simple squamous epithelium and stratified squamous epithelium. Into two different types, simple squamous epithelium and stratified squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium are single layered. The cells are very thin and flat and appears as tiles over a floor. It forms a delicate lining of blood vessels and lung alveoli where substance transport occurs through a selectively permeable membrane. What is the meaning of selectively permeable membrane? A membrane which allows only selected material to pass through it. It also covers esophagus and lining of mouth. You have to keep this in your mind. And stratified squamous epithelium, it is found in the outer side of the skin, as it is highly resistant to mechanical injury and is waterproof. That is why simple squamous epithelium, it forms lining of inner organs. But this one, as it can resist to high mechanical injury and is waterproof, it is found in the outer side of the skin. And the cells of stratified squamous epithelium are arranged in many layers to prevent their wear and tear. Then second is cuboidal epithelium. First one is squamous, second is cuboidal epithelium. It is made up of cube shaped cells. As the name is indicating, look at the figure given in your book. It is cuboidal, cube shaped, which have round nuclei. It forms lining of kidney tubules and ducts of salivary glands. Where it provides mechanical support, it also forms germinal epithelium of gonads. It also helps in absorption, excretion and secretion. किस किस में मदद करते हैं बेटे? एब्जॉर्प्शन. कहाँ पर होता है एब्जॉर्प्शन? फूड का एब्जॉर्प्शन इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. वाटर का एब्जॉर्प्शन इन द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. Excretion and secretion. Most the glands they secrete hormones. The third one is columnar epithelium. Columnar, look at the figure given in your book. Columnar epithelium, column like. It is made up of tall pillar like cells with elongated nuclei. It is usually found in inner lining of intestine. कहाँ पर रहते हैं बेटा? इनर लाइनिंग ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन, वेयर एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड सिक्रीशन अकर. इट फैसिलिटेट्स मूवमेंट अक्रॉस एपिथेलियल बैरियर. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज ciliated columnar epithelium. When columnar epithelial cells possess cilia, cilia is what? Hair-like structures. Then it is called ciliated columnar epithelium. The cilia have the ability to move. Their movement pushes substances like mucus forward. Then glandular epithelium. Gland cells secrete substances at the epithelial surface. Sometimes portion of epithelium tissue folds inwards. This results in the formation of multicellular gland and its tissue is called glandular epithelium. These are the 5 types of epithelial tissue. What is the functions of epithelial tissue? It protects the underlying cells from drying, injury, infections and also from harmful effects of chemicals. It plays vital role in regulating the exchange of material between the body and external environment and between different body parts. It helps in absorption of water and nutrients and in diffusion of gases. And it helps in the elimination of waste products from the body. From the outer skin, sweat is released. That is what? Elimination of waste product from the body. These are the function of epithelial tissue. The second tissue is animal tissue is connective tissue. What is the name suggesting? The name is suggesting the one which connects. The one which connects various body organs. So that is the connective tissue. Example, it connects 1 or 2 bones to each other, muscles to bone, and also gives support to various parts of the body. The cells of connective tissue are loosely packed, living and embedded in an intercellular matrix that may be either jelly-like, fluid, dense or rigid in nature. The various types of connective tissue are, first one is blood. Now tell me, what are the various components of blood? We all are studying about the components of blood from class 6th or 7th. Blood contains 4 major components: RBC, WBC, platelets and plasma. It is a fluid-like substance, है ना? So it is a fluid connective tissue that links different parts of the body. It helps to maintain the continuity of the body, as it contains plasma, blood cells and platelets suspended in it. Plasma also contains proteins, salts and hormones. What is the function of the blood? What is the function of the blood? Do you know? Yes. It transports nutrients, gases, hormones and vitamins to various tissues of the body. It carries excretory products from tissue to excretory organ. It also conducts here it also conducts what? Heat and regulates body temperature. So this is the one of the connective tissue